Now see how we will draw the molecule of ammonia and how we will show covalent bonding in ammonia. Ammonia contains nitrogen and hydrogen. The chemical formula for ammonia is NH3. Nitrogen's atomic number is 7 and hydrogen's atomic number is 1. So therefore, nitrogen will have its electronic configuration as 2, 5, where in the K shell 2 electrons are present and in the L shell 5 electrons are present. Now you can see that the octet of nitrogen is not completed. We know that every element, it tries to complete its octet either by losing or gaining electrons as in case of the ionic compounds, or by sharing electrons as in case of the covalent compounds. So nitrogen will need 3 electrons to complete its octet. Why every element tries to complete its octet? To become stable. Okay. Hydrogen, its atomic number is 1, therefore it will have the electronic configuration as 1 only. In 1, it means that in hydrogen the K shell is containing 1 electron. Now we have studied in class 9th that the capacity of K shell is only 2 electrons. Okay, that means only 2 electrons can be present in the K shell. Not more than 2 electrons can be accommodated in K shell. So again, to become hydrogen stable, it will gain 1 electron. That means you can say it needs 1 electron in short. Okay. Now this is the structure of nitrogen atom, where only the valence shell, it is the valence shell, and these are the valence electrons are shown. Whenever you are drawing the structure for covalent molecule, we need to draw only the valence shell and valence electrons. The inner electrons, they are not shown in the structures. Similarly, the hydrogen atom can be represented like this. Either you can write the element symbol at the center, that means in place of the nucleus, or sometimes in other books people show nucleus here. So it depends on you. I particularly write the element symbol so as to show that this atom belongs to hydrogen, this atom belongs to nitrogen. Now hydrogen, its valence shell, and it will have 1 valence electron. Now each hydrogen atom needs 1 electron to complete its duplet, and the nitrogen atom needs 3 electrons to complete its octet. Now how they will do so? We will see that one nitrogen atom will combine with 3 hydrogen atoms by the covalent bonding to become stable and to complete its octet, right? There will be sharing of 1 electron each. So for sharing we can draw this type of overlapping so as to show that the electrons, 1 electron of hydrogen and nitrogen, this will undergo sharing. Now after sharing you can draw the molecule as like this. The sharing means the atoms, they get overlapped, and the electrons which are shared by each atom, they are written in between the overlapped region like this. So you can draw the structure of ammonia molecule, the covalent molecule, in this manner. Now here you can see that nitrogen is having 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that means 8 electrons. So the octet of the nitrogen is completed. Each of the hydrogen is containing 2 electrons, right? The one which are shared in between. Each of the hydrogen atom is containing 2 electrons, that therefore duplet of hydrogen is also complete. So this molecule is a stable molecule. Now the electrons which are shared, that means which are present in the overlapped region, these are known as shared pair of electron. What we call it? Shared pair of electron. The electron pair which has not participated in bonding, this is known as lone pair of electron. Okay, this is known as lone pair of electron. Now instead of writing this type of structure where the overlapping of the atoms are shown, we can write the structure of ammonia with the help of covalent bonds. Today in the class I told you that sharing of 1 electron leads to a single covalent bond, sharing of 2 electrons per atom leads to a double bond, sharing of 3 electrons per atom leads to triple bond. So in case of ammonia, the structure will look like this. Remember that whenever you are drawing this type of a structure where you are using the dash for the shared pair of electrons, one dash means 2 electrons. See, instead of writing these 2 electrons, I have put one dash. Okay, so remember that one bond, one single covalent bond means 2 electrons, one shared by each atom. Now, this remember that when you are drawing this type of structure, you have to show the lone pair of electrons. You cannot leave the lone pair of electrons as such. Okay.